All right, so anyway, I received this in the mail, and I'm not quite sure what it is. So let's open it up and take a look and see what we got. Interesting. Wow. All right, so this is going to tell us what it is. Apparently, it's lights that work off of a solar panel, and we string them up outside. So we're going to have to try doing that to see how it works. Let's take a look at them. Oh, here they are. Now, it's got modes on and off, and it has a little thing here. And this, I do believe, you slide this in here like that. Or maybe it goes this way. Yeah, there we go. And then this, here it turns so that you can point it towards the sun. And then these, we're going to have to spread these all out and see how they work. That should be interesting. I mean, I could put this outside and just charge them and see how it works. Now, this part here goes in here like this. And so now you've got your thing ready to go. That's it. We just plug them in, and this should be very interesting to see if it works well. All right, we'll just leave that here for now, and then we'll take it out and check it out. Now here you get this, and you can use your QR code to figure out how to work it, but it does have instructions, and it kind of shows you what to do with it. All right, this is going to be fun. All right, here we go. All right, so anyway, this is the mode button. So when you press this, it changes the mode. And this is the on and off button. That turns it on. So if you just leave it on and leave it outside, the sensor detects when it's dark and when it's light. And these just go on when it gets dark, and they go off when it gets light. And then this recharges, and it already has a battery in it, so you don't have to do anything. So it works pretty good. I just have to string it out and take a look at it tonight. All right, so anyway, I'm going to leave this out here. We're going to charge it, and then later on we're going to string it out and take a look at it. This has a sensor on it. It will not turn on in daylight. It has to be dark, and the flash from your camera will turn it off. All right, so here they are. They're working. Let me try the different modes. So that turns it off. That turns it on. And then here's this color. Let's see if I can get just white. There's that color. There's that color. There's that color. So it has a couple different things you can do. There's a mode button that's over here on the side, right here on this side over here. And I press it, it goes into two like blinking things. Press that one, and it just kind of like stays there. Press it again, and it kind of oscillates. Press it again. That's it. So it definitely works. I was hoping it'd be just white lights. Let's see what else it does. So there's the oscillation. It goes from the blue to the red, blue to the red. And if I click it again, it just stays on the red. And if I click it again, it goes back and forth. And then if I click it again, it just stays on that. That's pretty cool. And then turn it off, I go to the right side, click it, and it's off. Bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.